So the overall conclusion of our work, and that work of many other researchers as well, is that the quality of the air that you breathe is extremely important for your health. The reason that is because if you think about the three things that keep us alive, we eat about 2 kilograms of food every day. We drink a couple of liters of fluid, mostly water, every day, but we breathe in 12,000 liters of air every day. So there's a very strong link between the quality of the air that we breathe and our long-term health. I think you're correct. I think the majority of people are not aware of the issue of air pollution. And part of the reason for that is that we have not, our governments have not had public health campaigns like they have had around smoking, for example. So when you're walking in the city and you cannot see the pollution because it is invisible, then you don't think about pollution. And so it really has to be explained to you that in fact it's there, but you just can't see it. So the WHO, the World Health Organization, has undertook that sort of assessment, and their conclusion is that 93% of the world population is breathing unpure air. Proving something is extremely difficult, because what we do is we undertake studies which show an association between poor air and a disease outcome. But I did stress that poor air pollution is not the only reason that you develop dementia. There are other reasons as well, but air pollution will also be one of those factors. So it's important to avoid it if at all possible. So the solution is to reduce the emissions of those pollutants. So in the urban areas, we know that traffic is generally the dominant pollutant. So you really need to do two things. You need to reduce the more polluting vehicles, so remove them from the fleet, modernize the fleet, because a modern vehicle will produce less pollution. But also you need to reduce the number of vehicles on every city in the world probably. And the way to do that and yet let the city still function is to have improved public transport, efficient, clean public transport. I'm very optimistic because you've seen what we have done in London from the 1950s with the Clean Air Act. Many other countries have introduced policies which are reducing pollution, improving air quality. So that will continue. I really think that will continue. We will end up having an electrified society. Where I'm a little bit hesitant and disappointed is the speed at which we're doing it. We know what the problem is. We know what the health benefits, the economic benefits will be if we move faster along this track. But at the moment we're having pushback and slow down, which is really, not helping.